SDG&E is recognized as one of the most reliable utilities in the country. But from time to time, they'll need to turn off the power to homes and businesses to maintain and upgrade the electrical system. I'd like to show you how you can stay safe and comfortable if you're notified of a planned power outage in your area. Keep in mind that outages can occur at any time for a variety of reasons, so it's always a good idea to be prepared. If you're scheduled for a planned outage, you'll receive a letter from SDG&E. Every year, approximately 5,000 upgrades take place to improve the reliability of the electric grid. The good news is that you'll know in advance so you can prepare. Be aware that planned power outages can last from 1 to 16 hours. With the right preparation, you can be comfortable and safe during a power outage. So let's look at what you'll need to be ready. If you rely on medical support equipment, have a backup plan before the outage occurs to make sure your medical needs are met. Shut off or disconnect your electronic equipment like computers, televisions, and fax machines to avoid an electrical surge. Notify security and your phone company as alarm phone systems can be affected. Check to see if you can override or manually operate your garage door or security gates. It's important to have enough flashlights with fresh batteries handy, and charge cell phones, smartphones, tablets, and laptops prior to the outage. During the outage, minimize opening refrigerator and freezer doors to help maintain the temperature. And for extended outages, you may want to consider purchasing dry ice. During an outage, you may want to use a portable generator for electricity. It's extremely important you know how to operate it safely. Plug appliances or equipment directly into the generator using an extension cord that's the right capacity and length. For safety, the generator will need to operate from outside your home. Never plug a generator into an electric outlet. This could backfeed electricity into power lines and seriously injure or kill SDG&E crews working to restore your power. If you'll be using a generator, state law requires that you notify SDG&E prior to using your generator. Call our planned outage line at 1-800-211-7343. If you're not sure what size generator to rent, call your planned outage coordinator. You'll find their contact information on the planned outage notification letter you received from SDG&E. Your past energy use can be provided so you'll know what size generator you may need. Or if you're going to use a qualified electrician, share your monthly SDG&E bills from the last year so the electrician understands how much electricity you use and can recommend the right size generator. Maintaining the integrity of the electrical system is a vital part of delivering reliable energy to our region. Please know SDG&E will be working to restore your electricity as quickly and safely as possible. Thank you for your patience. For more information, visit sdge.com/planned outage.